What's going on, everyone? This is the rules here, back again with another video. I got only 11 minutes on my camera, and I'm gonna try to make 11-minute video because I know that people cannot stand my long boring videos, so I'm gonna make it 11 minute. Also, shout out to Beer Girl for 12. Thank you for all the compliments you gave me. You made me feel good because I have like 946 subscribers right now, and you say I'm much bigger than you are, and you said that I'm a big dog, and I was always thinking myself as an underdog because for being 6.5 years on YouTube and actively making videos, 946 subscribers is bullshit. Because really, I know some people like Mr. Ibzion, he started his YouTube channel December of 2009. I started in August 2009. He has 250,000 subscribers. Still worldwide, has only over 2,000 subscribers, and he started his channel like 4 months before I did. So, thanks for making me feel good, because this is not what I think of myself, but I appreciate your nice spirited videos. I have no reason to talk shit about you. You kind of brief, you kind of not long-winded like me. But don't think that talk shit to everybody. People just here think, that I'm a bad guy. So if I make video, if it means I'm gonna trash talk everybody. No, that's not the case. I only trash talk people who deserve to be trash talked. So if you're not a fucking idiot, if you don't talk shit, if you don't piss me off, I have nothing back to say about you. But anyway, let me call Todd right now, put him on speaker. Oh shit, my account does need to be refilled, but it's auto-pay, so I'm not worried. So anyway guys, as I'm cracking up my beer open malt liquor, calling Todd. Gonna get another interview, so stay tuned. So Todd,
your call has been forwarded.
Motherfucker doesn't want to talk to me. Oh well. Hopefully he'll call me back in a minute like he did last time. Maybe he wouldn't do it though, cause who knows. One thing I want to tell you, Beer Girl for 12, Todd is a very, very unpredictable man. Like it happened a lot of times. He basically blocked me, deleted me off his channel for no reason. One night, and I was rude to him, of course. I didn't know about it because, I'm from Russia, we interact there a little bit differently with people. That's why a lot of times I just don't make friends easily, because I know if I'm hanging out with people, I may experience some problems because of the different mentalities and stuff. I feel like people think of me here as a bad guy because of their mentality, but whatever. We all know about it by now. But it's not even about that. Thing was, and I'll tell that story in my previous videos. Back 2009, I believe. We were kicking it. It was 4 in the morning. I decided to go to bed. And Dad didn't let me. He said, Emil, hang out. Charlie wants you to hang out. I'm like, Dad, get the fuck out. I want to sleep. And then he started ripping my, he ripped my covers off of me. He took me, he started throwing me to the walls like a ball. He threw me to TV. And then my buddy Chad came in. He bear hugged Todd to calm him down. And luckily his son was not there with him, so I spent the night at Chad's son's room, who was probably 3 or 4 at the time, but it doesn't matter. And then next morning I came to Todd, his dad came in, his dad saw a bunch of bacon lying around on the property where Todd used to live, and he lived with his dad. And when Todd woke up, he started lying and telling that I was drinking heavily. But in reality, he was the one who was drinking like, he was drunk like a skunk. He was waking up with hangover telling me I was drinking heavily. But in reality, I just drank a couple beers and he was drunk as a skunk. I told this story in my previous videos. I know I'm repeating myself, but I don't think you know much about Todd, dear beer girl for 12. You pissed at him, you saying that, you know, people not gonna be expecting that. Guess what? When you said it, I know Todd pretty well. I was expecting it. Like that behavior, how he acts towards you, this is how he does other people too. You know, a lot of people say that Todd is a fucking idiot because, you know, he was blowing up girls, you know, he had opportunity like to get some and he was rejecting it like couple years ago, maybe year and a half ago. Had an opportunity to be with a girl who was like around my height, like 5'6", 5'7", kind of chubby. He couldn't get some ass off of her, but he was like, oh, she's not my type. You know, he reject women because he doesn't like them. But then he whines and bitch on how he never had a blow job in his life, how he never ate pussy in his life. And then he said that he never had sex for 10 years, even though it was a little less than that. But, and then I'm bringing it up, he started like bullshitting. That is a bullshitter, you can't believe that man, you know. He's a bullshitter and an idiot. And I hang out with him because, you know, he's not a bad guy. I feel for him and, you know, but the man just need to get himself together, like you said. But some people say he has a mental problem, he needs to be institutionalized. Well, unfortunately, I'm not gonna even argue with that. I actually agree with those statements. I do. It's pretty sad though, you know. Like a lot of times when I was hanging out with Todd and then he was telling me things and I'm like listening to it. I'm like, damn, that's really sad. You know, like people making fun of Todd and stuff, and I'm like, I won't make fun of men like that though. To me, that's like, this is really sad, you know.